or letters? I mean, yeah.
So number the top 1 to 12.
1 to 12. Then the sides are letters.
And it should go A to R. Don't miss a. Oops. Don't miss a.
Oh, that sounds weird.
Don't miss a don't miss a letter, because some of us don't know the alphabet. I'm for real. Like sometimes I'll miss a letter.
So is it A through S?
Nope.
Huh?
It's A to R. Show me.
Oh, I missed.
We're here live, guys. We're here live. We're checking for understanding on the grid. Can you show me? Am I recording this? I'm gonna make sure I'm recording this. Okay, great. Whoops.
There.
Okay. Show me. Show me.
So that's
A, B. No. Yes, okay, now it's right. Okay, do it on the other side. Do all of your boxes have 90-degree angles?
I don't have any reference for checking if it is.
Well, Miss Hibbler, how do you check if a box is 90 degrees? Is it just an eye thing?
Well, I use this.
Yeah.
Use the corner of the ruler. Do all your boxes look 90 degrees?
I mean, look, I'm not gonna start measuring each box.
Oh, what? Well, I'm just letting you know. Like, it might be a good idea.
It's too much. There's like hundreds of little boxes.
Guys, we're here live, and I know art is too much. Art is hard. Okay, I want to go over some measurements on the watercolor paper, everyone. So this is watercolor. These are the watercolor measurements. If you're doing the grid, this is if you're doing the grid. Okay, check it out. Your painting, Wilson, are you with me? Wilson, are you with me?
Wilson said he's gonna leave to go pick up paint for his portraits right now.
Well, Wilson, I didn't even tell them you're coming. Can you wait a second?
He already left.
Okay,
Well,
that's not
he's
good.
Gone.
Okay, hopefully he sees this later. I don't want him to start painting. Okay, Andy.
Yeah.
This is 2 inches. Do you got that?
2 inches?
The margins. Do you know what a margin is?
I guess the gaps?
The gaps, yeah, between the sides. This is 2 inches. This is for the watercolor paper, your final. It's really important, everyone, that you post that you have. No, that's your photo.
So what's a margin?
You have margins on that. It's the white space. But I'm talking when you measure the final paper.
Okay.
I just want to make sure you understand this before you go into the weekend. The side is 1.5 inches. You got me?
Yep.
The first thing you're going to draw, and you should be making tons of tick marks. 1.5, 1.5. Measure again and again. Make sure it's right so you know that it is parallel to the side. So it should be 1.5, 1.5. Check with your ruler a million times. And then do the same thing with the top and the bottom. Like check, 2, 2, 2. Same with the bottom, 2, 2, 2. The first margins you're going to draw, like when you're drawing the inside box for your face, is just these 3 boxes. Are you with me, Andy?
Mm-hmm.
And obviously these are 90-degree angles. Leave the last one. Draw the last one last. Because if you measure it perfectly, this comes out actually at 1.63. something like that, or 1.65.
You want me to measure it exactly? Because I could possibly do that.
Wilson's coming back in. What?
You want me to measure it exactly?
Yeah, I'm telling everyone who's watching this video and you, like, the key to the grid is precision. So these are the margins. So just to reiterate to everyone who's watching, hi Wilson, the top is 2 inches. The blue, where I'm highlighting blue, it is 2 from the top. You got to measure. And I explained this in a video, but kids don't watch the videos. Okay, and then that's 2 inches. Miss Hibbler, is this like, are you understanding this like as an adult, or am I being confusing?
Yeah, I think like the drawn out, like you drawing it on your iPad, it's really helpful to like see the visual.
The sides are 1.5. This part right here is just the leftover. And it ends up being like 1.63 because they measure it differently. Now going over, thanks Miss for the positive phrase. Thus the size of the paper, so this is the paper size. If you want to check to make sure you're measuring properly, the size of the paper, if you got the right paper from the school, should be 15 inches long. So if this side is 1.5 and this margin is 1.5, you got 3 inches of margin in total. So this is 1.5, 1.5. So 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. That means that the painting, the actual painting, let me pick another color, orange.
Miss, I gotta go. I got a meeting for history.
Okay, I'll post this video for you.
Wait, Miss, why does the right side of the purple say 1.63 or 1.65?
Because it's the leftover. So what happens if you measure it perfectly, the paper machine doesn't always cut it the right way. So like I tell them to draw this line last and just consider it the leftover.
Okay.
Does that make sense? You kind of have to do it to understand. Okay, this top part, Andy, I'll just do fast. This is 12 inches. This is 12. Andy's like, I gotta go, stop talking. And this side, this is 18. And this is 18.
Yes, because I'm just scaling it twice the size of the regular picture.
Yes, and I know you're like, oh, so obvious, but like, I think this picture will help some people. So again, everyone remember, the top you should grid 1 to 12, 1 to 12, and this is A to R. Please post your updated grid. Okay, Andy, you're allowed to go now.
All right, bye, Miss Hibbler.
Bye. Okay, I'm gonna end this, Miss Hibbler. I'm gonna, did anyone write about,